Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today with another scripture writing for 2021. So hopefully you can join along, play along, take the time to, write out the scriptures and help you remember and maintain those. So I am on week 2 of the year, and this is in the Plant Your Dreams Happy Planner, excuse me. And I already showed you the first week, where it started with Revelation, with the conclusion of events, and then we started with Genesis and the Adamic covenant, and then we went to the Noahic covenant because we ended with Noah, the bow. So now we're moving along. We are further along in Genesis, and if you want to read along with me to finish the year off, I can give those scriptures that I'm reading as well, because I typically do 3 to 4 chapters a day. So on day 4, therefore the name of it is called Babel, because the Lord did there confine the language of all the earth, and from thence did the Lord scatter them abroad upon the face of the earth. Genesis 11:9, that's the Tower of Babel. That's why we have diversity of language. And this is day 5. And I will bless thee, I will bless them that bless thee, and curse them that curses thee, and in thee shall all the families of the earth be blessed. This is when he's talking to Abraham, the beginning of the Jews. Genesis 12:3. Is anything too hard for the Lord? At the time appointed, I will return unto thee according to the time of the life, and Sarah shall have a son. Genesis 18:14. That was a miracle right there. And Abraham lifted up his eyes and looked, and behold, behind him a ram caught in the thicket by its horns. And Abraham went and took the ram and offered him for a burnt offering in the stead of his son. Genesis 22:13. Amazing sacrifice there. And that also shows that God always got a ram in the bush. He always got something. When you think he count them out, he always got something for you. And I will make thy seed to multiply as the stars of the heaven, and will give unto thy seed all these countries, and in thy seed shall all the nations of the earth be blessed. Genesis 26:4. Again, he's talking to Abraham. And behold, I am with thee, and will keep thee in all places whither thou goest, and will bring thee again into this land, for I will not leave thee until I have done that which I have spoken to thee of. Genesis 28:15. And on day 10, Mizpah, for he said, the Lord watch between me and thee when we are absent one from another. That's Genesis 31 through 49. So I am just going to speed up the camera, and I am just going to do a little bit of decoration. Again, the scripture is the main important thing, but I'm just going to make it more presentable because I don't like my penmanship. So hold on. I do apologize for the lighting and if I were out of frame. Hopefully I wasn't, but I just want to show you. Just hit on little stickers, and as you can see, that washi tape did not want to stay, so I may have to change it out. Hopefully that glue was set in. Should have used glue stick, because sometimes it'll warp your page. But I just added some of those stickers from the Happy Planner and the wrong. So that is my final page. Again, just to give a little accent. And I used the faith and the blessings, because this was all about having faith in what God said, whether it was to bear a child past menopause and old age, or to be blessed and to be a blessing to the nations, and to believe that God was going to use you to be a blessing. So that was the reasons why I chose those words. And I just accented with a little bit of flowers and washing. And so if you use those same scriptures and you make a page, you can always hashtag hzscribe. I'll put it in the link below. Alright, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to let God let you be his scribe. Take care, God bless. Bye bye.